নমস্কাৰ মই দিলদাৰ হুছেইন আপোনালোকে চাই আছে টাইম 20 এনি আৰু মোৰ লাইভ স্ক্ৰীনত আপোনালোকে চাই আছে প্ৰতিভাৱান মেধাৱী ছাত্ৰী আলিয়া সিদ্দিকা আৰু অহম প্ৰতিভা বঁটাৰে সন্মানিত কৰা হৈছে আলিয়া সিদ্দিকাক আজি ৭৮ সংখ্যক স্বাধীনতা দিৱস আমি আলিয়া সিদ্দিকাৰ মুখৰ পৰা খুৱলা কণ্ঠৰে স্বাধীনতা দিৱসৰ কিছু তাৎপৰ্যৰ বিষয়ে আমি কিছু ভাষণ শুনিম আপোনালোকে চাই থাকিব টাইম 20 নি দিলদাৰ হুছেইনৰ সৈতে
Good afternoon everyone. I am Alia Siddika. I study in 5th standard at Al-Tangani Markaz Academy. Today we're gathered here to celebrate a very special day, that is Independence Day. It's a day when we remember and honor the brave heroes who fought for our freedom. On August 15, 1947, India became free from British rule. Our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel and many others worked tirelessly and made great sacrifices to make this dream a reality. This day marks the end of a long struggle for independence. Independence Day is a time to remember their bravery and dedication. It's also a time to think about what freedom means to us. Freedom gives us the right to speak, to learn, and to live our lives the way we choose. But with freedom comes responsibility. We should always respect our country and work hard to make it a better place. Let us celebrate this day with pride and joy. Let's help each other and keep our country clean and green. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Let's make India proud. As students, it is our duty to honor the legacy by being responsible citizens and contributing to the progress of our country. We are the future of India, and it is up to us to uphold the principles of democracy, unity, and peace. Let us take a moment to salute our national flag and pledge towards a brighter, stronger, and more united India. Let us also remember that true freedom comes with responsibility. We must continue to strive for excellence in our studies, respect our teachers and elders, and be kind and compassionate to everyone around us. Independence Day is not just a holiday. It is a celebration of our country's spirit and the freedom that we enjoy today. Let's take pride in being Indians and work together to make our nation even greater. And lastly, I would like to end up with a quote. India is the cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, and the mother of history. Dear friends, always remember that freedom is not given, it's taken. Thank you so much everyone. Jai Hind!
ইয়া আছিলে প্ৰতিভাৱান মেধাৱী ছাত্ৰী আলিয়া সিদ্দিকা আৰু আলিয়া সিদ্দিকাৰ সৈতে আমি তেখেতৰ যি সুন্দৰ যি ইংৰাজীত যি ভাষণ আছিলে বা মন্তব্য